Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a support request notification on Instagram, enabling vibration alerts is a simple and effective way to stay updated. In this video, I'll walk you through every step you need to follow to turn on vibration for support request notifications, so you can respond quickly whenever Instagram needs your attention. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control how apps behave on your phone, including how they notify you. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to find Instagram quickly. Once you're in the Instagram app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the notification preferences for Instagram, from likes and comments to direct messages, and of course, support requests. Now, look for the option labeled Notification Categories. Tapping this will show you a list of different types of notifications that Instagram can send. Each category can be customized individually, giving you full control over your notification experience. Scroll through the categories and find support requests. This is the specific type of notification you want to manage. Tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Vibrate. Switch this on. With this setting enabled, your phone will vibrate whenever you receive a support request notification from Instagram. This ensures you'll never overlook an important update, even if your phone is on silent or you miss the visual alert. That's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for support request notifications on Instagram. Now, whenever there's a support request, your phone will give you a gentle buzz so you can take action right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on customizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.